Introducing the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Welcome to the top of the food chain. The Silverado 3500 HD rules the worksite and yet has the refinement to give you a ride that's quiet, smooth, and maneuverable. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection. Rest assured and get the job done with confidence in the Silverado 3500 HD. Take it out for a test drive today.